Unraveling the Mystery. Understanding, count off. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we've got an interesting phrase to discuss. Count off. This phrase might sound simple, but it has a few different uses in English, and today we're going to explore them together. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Count off is a phrasal verb, and it is often used in situations where people are in a group and they need to be counted or organized in some way. Typically, each person in the group says a number in sequence, helping to establish an order or to make sure everyone is present. For example, in a classroom or a military setting, you might hear someone instruct the group to count off to ensure all members are accounted for. Let's look at some examples to see how count off can be used in a sentence. The teacher asked the students to count off by twos for the group activity. During the hiking trip, the guide made sure that everyone was safe and accounted for by having the group count off. In these examples, count off is used to organize people and make sure everyone is included. There are also some variations of count off that you might hear. For instance, count off in threes means that you should count in a sequence, but skip every third number. Count off by fours means that you should count in a sequence, but each person says a number that is 4 higher than the previous person's number. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, count off. We've explored its basic meaning, how to use it in a sentence, and even some variations. I hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you and that you feel more confident using it in your own English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning!